to Sisters Me. Today we are going to be showing 2 recipes that you can do with cucumber and tomatoes so you can stay super cool in the summer. Let's get started. Knife, please. Okay guys, I got my butter knife. Let's get the chopping. Now we're gonna peel these cucumbers. The way to say cucumber in Hmong is lu di. Now that we're done peeling the cucumbers, we're going to chop it up into some small pieces. Now we're all done with our cucumber. It's time for the tomato. This is a tomato. The way you say it in Hmong is suav. We are going to cut this tomato into quarters. That means 4 pieces. Let's cut. Be careful with your knife. Now that the tomatoes are all chopped up, we're going to put it into the bowl of cucumber. The ingredients you will need to make the sauce for this salad are lime, pepper, garlic, salt, sugar, and fish sauce. First we need to smash these peppers. This garlic and pepper smells delicious. Now we're gonna add in the sugar and salt. Now let's add in some lime. Raining lime juice. Now we are going to add a tablespoon of fish sauce. If you like more, you can add more. If you like less, you can add less. Okay, I'll help you. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Okay guys, let's try this. I'm gonna go for the middle. It's good. Really good. I have a little spicy. Yeah, it's just a little spicy. I have a little spicy on mine, so it doesn't taste that spicy. But if you don't like spicy, you don't need to add any pepper. I want some lime. Yummy. This next recipe is very special to me because my great-grandparents have been eating it since they were children. And I love it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. All the things you'll need is some cucumber, a little bit of sugar, and some ice water. Let's get to it. The first thing you need to do is cut the cucumber down the middle. All you have to do is take a spoon and scrape the middle into a bowl. After that, you're going to put your cucumber on the cutting board and scrape out all of the extra cucumber. Now you're going to pour it into the bowl. When you're done scraping all your cucumber, this is what it should look like. A cucumber shell. Next, add on some ice water and sugar. Next, you're going to stir it all up. This looks so refreshing. Now let's taste this. That tastes really yummy. These cucumber recipes are so good. Let us know if you like them.